What's up, YouTubers? This is Hdnews. Sorry for not being here for a while. I was in the yard actually because of some kind of bleed that my family history has hemophilia, and apparently I had a bleed without doing nothing. Quite literally, this cheek here on the right side bled almost up to the eye, and it was not any good pictures to show on YouTube because I would not approve it, but it's looking better. You can see, but 3 or 4 days a factor since I think it was a Wednesday afternoon. Because when they did the testing and they found out where my factor levels are for my disease, and if you don't know what hemophilia is, that's the rare disease that's passed on. That's from my mom's side of the family, and we had two sides. My aunt Shirley's didn't. My grandma Shirley had none on her side, but there were two families within that entire bunch that had bleed just happen out of nowhere, and I never done that until now. And it was scary for me. I didn't lose no vision. I'm fine. My eyes are good. I know my mom's father wasn't as lucky. He actually was a tough one. He didn't want to get medicine, go to the doctor, and we did the right thing, leaving, taking 2 points for work, and going up driving to St. Louis to Barnes, and I'm doing better. It's hard to believe. I mean, how we thought it was a tooth infection, it ended up being far worse. It ended up being a bleed, and they did this CAT scan to see if there's any bacteria. And what they found more of was, instead it was just blood. It's just like they're baffled. They never had a bleed in that location of the body, and my mom's family, one of them had where they had bleeds constantly. It's like Dr. Berhassan, who took care of me when I was younger as a doctor for hemophilia in St. Louis, was by our state, and took care of my mom's family, her great aunts with it, father with it. It's like it's a cycle. It goes up and down. Your factor levels go up and down, and things can get bad, and bleeds can start more easily without knowing, without even doing nothing. And this is exactly what happened. Unfortunately, it was being in like 3 days. They were gonna try to get me in, do it today and stay over there until tomorrow morning. But my doctor saw me and another one who's part of it, and we're very lucky. My, my family, my co-workers, been saying prayers because I sent them the Facebook pictures, and it was not nice. It was like this whole entire place here on the right side was so swollen up to the eye that it shined. So I'm here. I'm fine. I got IV in my arm, so I can't technically do everything. I gotta be comfortable for the next. I gotta sit up straight. I can't be down. This was prevent the bleeding more, but my factor levels when they did the testing before they gave me the first dose was only 12%. I'm a 9%er. And we had a stymate, but since it was expired, they didn't really raise my factor levels up to 30%. But since it was in this location here, it would not get that high with factor levels. It would not necessarily sustain it, and it takes a long time to get the results back for this disease to see where your levels at, so you actually know if you're bleeding or not. If you're getting better, they know. And then I think last night's like when they took it at 5, I think the line levels were like 103 for factor 8. The normal level, the max is 160, and the lowest is 45. And apparently, I dropped quite a bit when that bleed occurred. And luckily, they're sending prayers as well from Barnes. I mean, nice place. They had to mess up on the medicine, like 5 hours to get medicine. I'm very lucky. I said, my mom, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have, this kind of luck. Telling her that I could have lost my vision in my right eye. Is how bad it was. So, just be thankful you don't have this disease. Thanks for watching.